Hi everyone, Combs family. It's been a while since I've given you a polo. I just was gonna give you some terms while he's studying tonight. I just got these glasses, so still getting used to them, but literally just picked them up, so it'll be interesting. But trying to find a place where I can sign. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, so biome is, you can see the signs. I tried to scoot back a little. Um, yeah, so biome is that sign. And his biome he did was savanna. Um, so the savanna biome, the desert biome, trying to think of the other words on the form. Humidity, I know, was one. Humidity was one word. And the amount of water vapor in the air. A climate at any given time or place, I believe, was weather. Severe weather, and I think they have to list those. So I think 3 or 4. So tornado, hurricane, flood. Let's see, tornado, hurricane, flood. Blizzard is going to be like, so it's like snow and wind and the blowing all at once. So in ASL it's so it's blizzard. So we had tornado, hurricane, flood, blizzard, and wildfire is fine as one. A tornado over the ocean is called a water spout, is how he did it. Water spout. The 3 climate zones. The 3 climate zones are the polar zone, the temperate zone, sorry. So the polar zone, the temperate zone, and the tropical, which is like hot, so tropical zone. So those are the 3 climate zones, and let's see, I think the 4 was, 4 fronts. So a boundary between 2 masses. I think it was air masses. Yeah, I think that's, I can't remember the definition, I'm sorry. The definition escaped me, but there's 4 of them. They're front. It's called a front. So boundary with the F is front, and there are 4 of them. There's the cold front. There's the warm front. There's this. He did it. They kept saying it doesn't move, so move none. So stationary front. And then the last one is occluded front. That one's where it's stuck. Let's see. I'm trying to think of the others. I think that's most of it. So savanna, tropical, rainforest, grassland, desert. I think he just needs to know at least 3 of the biomes. I think there's the polar biome, the polar biome has 2. It has the tundra and the taiga, which are just spelled. And trying to remember the paper, but I think I texted you, so you should have it. Trying to think of anything else that I can remember. Oh, temperature and the circle is degree, so degree. Oh, saturated, so two S's come together and pull out. So, and then full, I know, that's a lot. But saturated is when water is at its maximum that it can hold, so in the air. I think that's it for now. If there's something and you're studying and it's tough and you get stuck, please let me know. I'm going to be doing my homework for grad school, but I don't have a problem with stopping. If I see a Marco Polo, I can give you one back if you're studying with him. But I think that's all I can remember as far as what I think he'll need to know. I know one question was the biome with 4 seasons, and he kept getting that one wrong. He kept saying polar, but the biome with 4 seasons is the temperate zone. So that's this one, because there's 3 climate zones. So the temperate, TM, the temperate zone is where the United States, that's where we are, right? With 4 seasons. And then the tropical climate zone is closest to the equator and only rains just a little bit sometimes. And then, of course, the polar climate zone is the one with polar bears and all the snow and all of that. Where would you go if there was a tornado? Basement or bathtub. And then he needs to be ready to write 2 sentences about the savanna, because that was his biome that he did for the project. So just 2 sentences, something you can find connected with savanna. So I think that's it. He could say like the animals in a savanna. He could say 40 to 60 inches of rain. I think that was one of his facts. So those are 2 that he could remember for the test tomorrow. I hope that helps, and let me know if I can help you anymore, and I'll talk with you later. Bye.